Meaning of Gypsy Rose Lee.
Gypsy Rose Lee.
Gypsy Rose Lee.
Gypsy Rose Lee.
Gypsy Rose Lee. Gypsy Rose Lee was an American burlesque entertainer and actress. She was known for her witty humor, elaborate costumes, and sophisticated striptease performances. The name Gypsy refers to her mother's profession as a traveling entertainer, while Rose was her given middle name. Lee added her last name as a homage to her sister, June Havoc. Over the course of her career, Gypsy Rose Lee became an icon of female sexual empowerment and a symbol of the changing attitudes towards gender and sexuality in the 20th century.